Hey, what's going on, direct mail marketing family? Jerry here. I hope you're doing well. Right now, I just want to share with you an opportunity that I just got into. It's called Phase 10. And first of all, I want to thank Michael Jensen for introducing me to this program. And thanks, Michael. The creator of the program is Lon Lindsay out of Florida. And I've been knowing about this program for some time through Michael. So I decided to go ahead and join. And I'm going to read you a little bit of what it says on the flyer. You get a flyer right here with your ID number right here on it. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast, it's affordable, which it really is. It is affordable. It's not way out there. It's very affordable. It's lucrative. It is. If you work the program like any other program, it's lucrative. You don't need a computer to do this, okay? You got flyers. You can mail flyers. You can advertise on Facebook. You can advertise on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you can do this with that. So there's no computer needed. You get paid daily, and there's no monthly fee. You pay one time to get in, and that's it. Basically, in a nutshell, it's pretty simple. It was highly recommended to me by Michael. He's very, very successful at it. So I decided to jump on board. It has everything a good program needs. So I decided to jump on it. So I did. You get your, got my package. You get your flyer. And you get, of course you get your flyer explaining everything, front and back. With your, like I said, with your ID. Everybody gets an ID right here. This is mine, my referral ID. Of course, you get your flyers, you get your postcards right here. If you want to mail out postcards, mail out flyers, advertise how you want to. You get a quick startup guide right here. Tells you how to jump start your business, which is pretty awesome. An introductory letter. Lon Lindsay telling you congratulations and he's glad you're on board, which is pretty nice. And then you got some more information out here explaining how the program works. I'm not going to go through all this with you because it'll take too long. But what I'd like for you to do, you can always upgrade too. If you want to upgrade in this program, you can always upgrade. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put, oh, of course, you're going to get leads among other things. And other programs in here too, such as the money funnel. If you want to join the money funnel, that's there. You get your leads. And there's a free stamp program too. If you want to get into the free stamp program, right here, it's the stamp. We all need stamps in this kind of business. So it's the stamp funnel program right here. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I've been hearing about this from Michael. And Michael's very, very successful at this business. This particular one right here. So I jumped on in. But what I'm going to do is, instead of going through all this, I'm going to put the website in the description box to Phase 10. And if you can read it for yourself and go over it. And I'm going to put my name. Make sure you use my name and my referral ID if you want to join on my team with me. Then you need to put my name. Once you print out your paperwork to mail off to Lon, you need to put my ID, which I will put in the description box. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's 167235. That's my ID number. I'll say it again. 167235 is my personal ID. So if you want to get on board with me and get on my team and start making money with the Phase 10 program, then just put my ID and my name, which will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching the video. I wish I had time to go over all this with you. It's a lot of information. Look at all this. Lon really puts a lot of work into his programs, and they are really, really great programs that he comes up with. So take a look at it. Description box, click on the link. Don't forget my referral number when you want to join the team. But I hope to see you soon on my team. I really do. I'd love to have you. I'd love to work with you. So that being said, take a peek. Hope you have a great weekend, or whatever day it is you're watching this video. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And peace. See you soon. Click on the link below. Check it out. Take care. Bye.